A turning point trade that proved my strategy works. Let's break it down and explain what it took for me to fully trust my NNT strategy. We're going to go over my mechanical strategy right now, but after months of data, I started to trust my strategy even more after realizing that any play that I took that wasn't A plus always resulted in a loss. So journaling all those trades and finding out that all it took was A plus setups, I then started to take it serious, and my win rate now averages over 85%. How do I maintain an 85% win rate? All I'm doing is taking A plus setups. And if I don't see one, I don't take a trade. It is seriously that easy. Let's dive into my strategy and NT right now. If you want a more in-depth and a course on my strategy and NT, go to the first link in the description. There's also a free PDF. And if you want to join me while I trade live, you can navigate it in there also. Now let's dive into my strategy in the next couple of minutes. And I'll try to explain it to you as simple as possible. You see this drawing above? We are looking for this pattern to happen. The candles play this pattern out. Let's go over it together. We're looking for a high and a low to get taken. So as you can see here, the high and the low get taken. Let's look at this example here. The high right here gets taken. The low right here gets taken. So after that happens, you want to put a box on that zone. So we get the high, we come down to the low, the high, the low, and we make the box. The high, the low, let's put the box there. Then we want price to come out the zone and tap the zone, just like this. We see the candles come out and tap the zone, just like the example above. Then we want price to shoot up and pass the previous high. Price came and shot up and passed the previous high. Let's get rid of all these drawings and look at the play itself. We see price come up, come down, come out the zone, tap the zone, break that high. We want price to reach 100% away from the zone. So let's grab the zone. Let's duplicate it. 100% away. Yup. Then we would enter at 50%, put our take profit on the line above, and our stop loss one tick below. Price came up, came down, reacted before entering, then filled us at 50% and hit our take profit. I trade no other strategy than the strategy NNT, and I strictly trade the 5-second time frame. I have a bunch of backtest videos. I live stream Monday through Friday. I have a bunch of free content, even a free course, a free PDF. If you want more, go to the first link in the description. Feel free to leave me a comment about anything, and I even have free backtest videos on my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Stop worrying about yesterday, stop worrying about tomorrow, and only worry about today. God bless my brothers. I'll see you later.